am Dr. Vaishnavi Sainath, founder of the Institute Vaishnavi Natya Center. I welcome you all to the ongoing series of the 10th anniversary celebrations of Vaishnavi Natya Center. Today is a landmark moment in the journey of VNC as we merge the tradition with the modern. As the world goes digital, we at VNC ensure to protect the ancient art of Bharatanatyam and Kalari Yoga and ensure it's not lost in the post-COVID world. While a significant time was spent in transitioning from the classroom to the online method, this year is all about making items available on the online platform for learners and others to practice remotely. I'm very happy and proud to introduce Vaishnavi Natya Center's wing VNC Artha. VNC Artha will start off with rhythmic presentations by Mridangam legend Guru Karaikudi Mani. Guru Mani has changed the face of Indian percussion with over 70 years of experience in performing arts. We will also have items choreographed by internationally acclaimed performer and guru Dr. Rajeshwari Sainath, who comes with 50 years of experience. Apart from this, we hope to offer a broad spectrum of arts that India has to offer. Seeking your good wishes and blessings as we embark on this journey of VNC Artha. Today's event is a special event and a first of its kind in VNC, as we have students living abroad performing today. We have different items, the common thread being Indian classical dance and Kalari Yoga. We have Kuchipudi combined with Kalari Yoga, we have jazz combined with Kalari Yoga, we have a traditional Bharatanatyam presentation and so on. A unique feature about today's students is that I have never met them personally. All of them have connected to me during the COVID and we have embarked our journey only in the online module of classes. And to my surprise, the connection between us has been so good and the girls have shown significant progress in their mind, body and approach to the art. This only goes to show that pandemic or no, arts will continue to survive. Our performer is Nitya Nagineni from Madison, Wisconsin. Young Nitya started off her journey as the pandemic began, and she was predominantly taught by our senior teacher, Srijana Valligeti. This progress that I see in Nitya has only ensured and made me happy that we at VNC are doing the right thing by inculcating and grooming teachers to spread our wings across the globe. Nitya Nagineni will start off with Ganesha Stuti.
Namaskaram, I am Nitya Nagineni. I am 10 years old and I am going to 5th grade. I live in Madison, Wisconsin and I am so happy to be learning from Vaishnavi Akka and to be a part of this online program. I always try my best to improve and to learn something new in Bharatanatyam. I also thank Srijana Akka for helping me be the best I can be. Even though I've never met Vaishnavi Akka or Srijana Akka, I feel very connected to them and look up to them. I hope to do more items and finish my Arangetram someday. Today I'll be performing the Ganesha Stuti. I hope you enjoy.
Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Havaamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashrinvannudibihi Sida Sadhanam. Havaamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashrinvannudibihi Sida Sadhanam. Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Havaamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
We will now have a presentation by Tia Subramaniam and Nishka Subramaniam from Hong Kong. Tia Nishka bring in the super fun side of me and the super strict side of me as well. The speciality of these sisters is that they are willing to try any challenging posture that I give them. While Tia stands as a role model for Nishka, Nishka very confidently tries to do different asanas. Presenting Tia Nishka.
Namaskaram. My name is Tia Subramanian and I'm 11 years old.
My name is Nisha Subramanian. I'm 8 years old. We live in Hong Kong.
I've been learning from Vaishnavi Akka for over 1 year. Though I've never met Vaishnavi Akka in person, I feel a very strong bond to her and Kalari Yoga in general. It has been a very interesting and unique experience learning Kalari Yoga on Zoom. But it has also been a very fun journey. We have enjoyed learning Kalari Yoga and we hope to continue it in the future.
Every day I used to watch Tia Akka learn Kalari Pai too. And I would always wonder what it would feel like. One day I got inspired to try it. And ever since then, I've been learning from Vaishnavi Akka, and so far I've been learning for a little bit over 1 year.
Our next performer is Hugh Mei Liu from Macau. It has been a special and interesting journey to train Mei in the Bharatanatyam art form. As this was completely new for her, she was embracing a new language, a new style, a new dimension of art form. Today, Mei will present an item on Goddess Durga to show the fierce Shakti. Presenting Mei from Macau.
ஆரெங்கும் போற்றிடும் பராசக்தியே பாரெங்கும் போற்றிடும் பராசக்தியே சண்ட முண்டனே சம்ஹாரம் செய்த சாமுண்டேஸ்வரி சண்ட முண்டனே சம்ஹாரம் செய்த சாமுண்டேஸ்வரி அகிலமெல்லாம் போற்றிடும் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அகிலமெல்லாம் போற்றிடும் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி தாசன் கிருஷ்ணன் பணியும் துர்கா தேவியே தாசன் கிருஷ்ணன் பணியும் துர்கா தேவியே துர்கா தேவியே சரணமம்மா சரணமம்மா அம்மா துர்கே துர்கே ஜய ஜய துர்கே 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 ஜய ஜய துர்கே கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் துர்கே துர்கே ஜய ஜய துர்கே 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 அல்லும் பகலும் உன்னாமம் பாடி அல்லும் பகலும் உன்னாமம் பாடி அல்லும் பகலும் உன்னாமம் பாடி அல்லும் பகலும் உன்னாமம் பாடி அன்றினோர்களே யாதரி பயம்மா जय दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे 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 दुर्गे
We will have a presentation by Kumari Ananya Sriram from Singapore. Ananya joined VNC after watching her cousin perform in the last year's anniversary celebration. And from then on, there was no looking back. Ananya's consistency and hard work has brought her here today where she is ready to perform. Ananya will be presenting a fusion alaripu. Presenting Ananya Sriram.
Hi, I am Ananya Sriram. I am 10 years old. I have just completed grade 4. I joined Vaishnavi Natyalaya after seeing my cousin's dance performance. Vaishnavi Akka's classes are well balanced with focus on learning and discipline. She has helped me develop confidence and passion in dance. Even though I've never met Vaishnavi Akka, I feel connected to her through the dance classes. Thanks for providing me the opportunity to dance in the 10th anniversary celebration. I look forward to grow and progress in my dance journey under Vaishnavi Akka. Thank you.
Our next performer are from Dallas, the Poturi sisters, Priyanka Poturi and Shruti Poturi. Their journey in the world of performing arts is very similar to mine, as they have also learned several art forms like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, and have also given their arrangements respectively. Today, they will be presenting a combination of Kuchipudi and Kalari Yoga, which is one of its kind presentation. Presenting Priyanka and Shruti Poturi.
Hi, my name is Priyanka.
Hi, my name is Shruti.
We both are sisters from Dallas, Texas, and we've been learning from Vaishnavi Akka for some time now.
Vaishnavi Akka's classes have greatly improved our body flexibility and strength. Even though we've never met her in person, we feel so connected to her, and it's truly been a blessing to be able to learn from her. Each day she tries to make the classes unique and interesting, which encourages us to try not to miss any classes. And although the classes are taught in Zoom, she makes sure that she gives individual attention to every single person and corrects them.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi Akka, for being such a great guru and connecting so many of us. Today we'll be presenting a fusion version of Aigiri Nandini, which is going to be a mix of both Kalari and Kuchipudi.
तमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Girtatam, takitatam, takitatam. Dittak girtatam, girtatam, takirtim. Dittak girtatam. Dittak girtatam. Dittak girtatam. Dittak girtatam. Dittak girtatam. Dittak girtatam.
केशव हरिनारायण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन आदिनारायण अनन्त शयन सच्चिदानन्द सत्यनारायण ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनं प्रियवासिनि भास्कर
Next presentation is by Kumari Gayatri Uni from Hong Kong. Unlike the other students of today's evening, mine and Gayatri's journey spans for half a decade now. Every break, she makes it a point to come visit her gurus, learn her items from Hong Kong. And this has not only helped her grow as an artist, but she has also accompanied us in several of our group performances in prestigious venues. Today, Gayatri will be presenting a Shiva Stuti, Bho Shambho, which shows the grace and power of Lord Shiva and also exhibits the several karnas of Lord Shiva. Presenting Gayatri Uni.
त्रिनेत्रम् चतुर्भुजम् शान्तम् रक्तवर्णम् स्मिताननम् अन्ये ढमरुगं तथा शिवशम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिवशम्भो स्वयम्भो अक्षयलिंग धिमित धिमित धिमि धिमि किट किट तुम तरि किट तरि किट किट तुम ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ 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 ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ಪತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ಈಶ ಸಭೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ 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 ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ಪತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷ್ಟಿತ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ಓ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ ಓ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ
Our next presentation is by the Sinha sisters from New Jersey, Amogha Sinha and Anaga Sinha. While Anaga joined as a beginner with me, Amogha came in with a lot of body vocabulary, and for me it was a challenge as a teacher to identify her body movements and help her progress with it. The most emotional part for me with these sisters is that despite the time difference, both of them would join around 9:30 p.m. in the night, especially Anaga, who would every day consistently show up on her mat, although it was so late in the night. And this consistency has helped her progress phenomenally, where she's now starting to do her intermediate to advanced Kalari Yoga. Presenting the Sinha sisters.
Namaste. My name is Anika. This was my first year performing in Kalari, and it's been so much fun. Working with my sister was amazing, and I really hope we can do it again. Because I live in New Jersey, there's a time difference, but Vaishnavi Akka's classes are so much fun, and it always motivated me to stay late during my classes. I wanted to thank her for teaching me Kalari.
My name is Amogha, and I'm going to be performing this routine with my sister. Something about me is that I've been dancing for 15 years. So in this performance, Vaishnavi Akka helped me achieve a blend of Kalari along with some jazz, contemporary, and acrobatic elements. And with that being said, I'm really excited to be performing this with my sister because she's really drastically improved within the past few months, and I'm really excited to showcase that. And above all, thank you, Vaishnavi Akka, for challenging us and pushing us to do our best. I hope you enjoy.
Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha. Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha. Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha. Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha. Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha. Om Shri Saubhagya Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Namaha.
we will now have the grand finale presentation by myself, Dr. Vaishnavi Sainath. As you all are aware that I have been individually credited by the Government of India through their official body, the ICCR, in Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Odissi as a solo performer. Today's presentation is a combination of these Indian classical dance forms along with Kalari Yoga. Presenting Dr. Vaishnavi Sainath.
मानव्यालकिञ्चरातटे 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 मर्ममिल्लदिल् पेदने मनसा मानव्यालकिञ्चरातटे सामनव्यालकिञ्चरातटे
Today's evening would not have been possible without those important people who made it happen. First of all, I would like to thank my backbone and support system, my mother and guru, Dr. Rajeshwari Sainath. I would like to thank the teachers of VNC who are helping me spread the wings of classical dance and Kalari Yoga. I would like to thank the students for their constant enthusiasm despite the different mode of learning. They show up every single day and stay committed to the art form. A huge thank you to those parents who have not only been spectators for today's event but also have played the role of a cameraman, technical support, makeup artist and so on. Today's evening would not have been possible without your parents. Finally, I thank the audience. It is because of you Rasikas that we are able to come up with more events like this. To stay updated with the events of VNC and VNC Artha, subscribe on our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Sainath, or you can follow us on our social media page Vaishnavi Natya Center. Looking forward to your constant support and blessings. Namaskar.